There we go. Welcome to fall competition, everyone. The agenda for today is that we're obviously right now just showing off our Halloween costumes, and if you want, you can also just do a fun Zoom background if that's more to your fancy, but just trying to get everybody in the spirit of Halloween. And then we'll be watching everyone's submissions for the reaction contraption. This might be a little difficult because I know that doing stuff online over Zoom can get a little sketchy. So also, if you can't actually see the contraptions and it's too laggy, they are posted on our YouTube channel as of right now, PiE Robotics. So you can also go there and watch that. If it doesn't pan out, we'll decide what happens then, but hopefully it does. And then after that, we will reveal our award winners, and then we'll also talk about our plans for spring competition, because I know everybody is really anxious about that. And I hope that, and at the end, we'll also take questions, but that's pretty much it for today. Also shouldn't take the full 2 hours, but just in case anybody wants to stay after and chat, that's fine too. All right, so we'll get right into it now with the reaction contraptions, and hopefully the video isn't too bad. I hope everybody is excited, and all the submissions were definitely super amazing, super proud of everybody. Also proud of everybody that came out and did the coding challenges this morning too. I hope that was all fun and exciting for you guys and not too stressful. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Please message in the chat or something if it's laggy, and then we'll try to figure out what happens afterwards.
What we like about PiE Robotics is the community and how it is friendly and welcoming to those who have little to some experience in robotics. The PiE competition gives us the opportunity to hone our STEM and teamwork skills. The PiE staff are all very friendly and gave us some cool anecdotes about life. The mentors are cool people. They know memes. They are people of culture, especially Bryant Law.
You're dead.
That airport.
All right, and that was all of the reaction contraptions. I saw some very, very cool ones. They were all very unique and fun, and I hope you guys had fun doing this together. Um, yeah, hope this was an okay substitute for our normal fall competition, and at least a little something fun to do. And now we will get on with awards, and I will give it over to the Atlas PMs to go ahead with this.
Okay, hello. I'm Helen and I'm one of the PMs.
Hi, I'm Cassidy. I'm the other PM.
Okay, so it's time for awards. Exciting. First up, best video editing. Okay, should we have drum rolls? Like,
Sure, I will.
drum roll. Okay, best video editing award goes to Hayward. Congratulations. Yay.
Okay, now we have most comical, and that goes to Pinole Valley.
All right, next up is best design, and that goes to Albany High School.
For most whimsical, our winner is ACLC. Congrats.
And then next is professionalism. We judged this based on the engineering journal, and this is for middle college. Congratulations.
For best organization, our winner is Skyline.
Next up, most unique award or creative. We thought that this person had a looping mechanism in their video and they had a trebuchet. And so this goes to Oakland School of Arts. Congratulations.
Okay, our mechanical award goes to Albany because of your interesting mechanisms like the switches to activate the hair dryer and toy train. Congrats.
Did we announce this too? Okay, the Codeathon Champion is Oakland School of Arts. Congratulations.
Ooh. Also not sure if someone from Coding Challenges this morning wants to say anything about this real quick, but
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think everyone did really well on the coding challenges. It came down to like who submitted first, and OSA submitted at, I think, 11 a.m. That was their first submission that got a perfect score. So great job, and the other teams that submitted also did really, really well. So we're very proud.
Very nice, very nice.
Okay, honorable mention goes to Encinal because of your cute narration about why PiE is cool. And you also had great editing.
Okay, our runner-up, we saw a lot of effort, and that was built into the props that contributed to each mechanisms, and overall, you had a really great design, Cerrito High School. Congratulations.
Woo!
Wow, this is a lot of pressure. I get to announce our champion. So our champion of this competition is Hayward. We thought you guys had a very incredible reaction contraption from beginning to execution. You went above and beyond, and we absolutely loved it. So congrats.
Ooh, congrats everyone. I hope everybody enjoyed this, and congrats to honestly everyone, and a big thank you for competing in this fall competition. I know that it wasn't the easiest being away from each other, and it was definitely took a lot of time to really get together and get this all done. So honestly, props to everybody for taking the time out to still compete with PiE and get to do something for us, because we definitely miss seeing you guys and holding competitions as well. So this is much appreciated by us as well, just to have a little something from you all. So thank you all for competing. Truly, it was amazing and very fun to watch everyone's submissions. And with that, that is technically the end of fall competition. Obviously, it's kind of very short because it's just watching it and then doing the awards. But I did also want to take the time to tell you guys a little bit about spring competition and hopefully give you a little insight on what's happening, since I know that it's been a little confusing, and obviously with everything going on, it's still not sure what PiE's plans really are. But we do have something really exciting in the works for you guys. So I hope you all are excited too, and I hope you all are planning on still competing with us in spring competition. So without further ado, I'm just gonna talk about it. So our idea is kind of a hands-on, but not hands-on remote competition. And this will be a remotely controlled competition. So we did a little testing and had a few ideas from some amazing staff members, and we're able to come up with the idea that we could remotely control the base kit robots from anywhere with a few things that we have to do, but it will definitely work. So our idea is to make an obstacle course that everybody can compete in using the base kits. And sadly, while you guys won't be able to actually work on the base kits and kind of make them your own, you can still compete against other teams, which I know is an aspect that you guys are really missing, is getting to actually compete against each other. So we want to have an obstacle course that you guys can run using the base kits, and you can control it remotely from your house. And there will also still be ways that you get to work with the design of the robot a little bit, just not as in depth. And obviously we're still not giving like the most in-depth details, because that'll be for kickoff later on next semester. But this is kind of the idea, and it'll be a little bit more hands-on than before, and hopefully it all works out, and hopefully it seems exciting for you guys. Another interesting thing about it is that hopefully everybody in the team gets to run it. I know that not everybody really gets to drive the robot in the typical competition, but this being an obstacle course and it being a little faster rather than like the 3-minute rounds, hopefully everybody actually gets the chance to run the robot. So that'll be a little bit more fun and exciting for people as well. And then just for some quick logistics about it, we will still send out an application over winter break per usual for spring comp, just the basic logistical stuff. There's not going to be a fee this year. We typically have everybody pay a fee of $100, but since you aren't actually getting the base kit and you don't get to work on it and that kind of stuff, there's no need for that this year. So competing in PiE will be free, and all you have to do is basically fill out the application and then show up for spring comp. And hopefully we'll still have the same amount of events as last year. We're not sure if we're going to cut some things because there's going to be a little less going on, but we will still try to have the same amount of events and keep it as close to spring comp as possible. But that's basically it. And now we are free to take any questions about spring comp, about fall comp, or you guys can just stick around and chat with PiE staff. But that was basically it for today. And I just wanted to let you in on a little bit of what's going on for next semester as well. So thank you all for coming out today. I had a lot of fun getting to see all of you and your reaction contraptions. And I hope you also had fun and enjoyed today. And happy Halloween, everyone. You are free to leave. I'm not going to keep you here, but if there are any questions, you can stay for that.
Wait, before you guys all leave though, before you leave, I do want to, let's try and commemorate Fall Comp. And if you can, then I encourage you to turn on your cameras and we could take a quick picture. If you don't want to be a part of it, you can of course leave or turn your cameras off. But I thought it'd be really cute to just take a nice little picture before everyone just dips out. So here, I'll do grid view. Ashley, do you want to stop screen sharing so we could just take a screenshot?
Yeah, sounds good.
Okay. Yeah. But yeah, you guys don't have to look that good. It's everyone's just gonna look like in a tiny little grid picture, but just turn on your cameras. It'll be super cute.
I'll also stop the recording now.